If you're skinny fat, you're not alone. This body type is characterized by having a relatively low body weight, but a high percentage of body fat, especially around the abdomen. This can make it difficult to lose weight, and can also increase your risk of developing health problems such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. The good news is that it is possible to lose belly fat if you're skinny fat. Here are some tips. 1. Eat a healthy diet. This means eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It also means limiting your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. 2. Get enough protein. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. When you have more muscle mass, you burn more calories at rest. Aim to eat 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. 3. Lift weights. Resistance training is one of the best ways to build muscle and lose belly fat. Aim to lift weights 3 to 4 times per week. 4. Do cardio. Cardio is also important for burning calories and improving overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. 5. Get enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can promote the storage of belly fat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. 6. Manage stress. Stress can also lead to increased cortisol levels and belly fat storage. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Following these tips can help you lose belly fat and improve your overall health. If you're struggling to lose weight on your own, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can help you create a personalized plan that's right for you. Here are some additional tips that may help you lose belly fat if you're skinny fat. 1. Eat smaller meals more often. This will help keep your metabolism revved up and prevent you from getting too hungry. 2. Drink plenty of water. Water helps to keep you feeling full and can also help to boost your metabolism. 3. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are packed with calories and can contribute to weight gain. 4. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcohol is high in calories and can also interfere with sleep. 5. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy. This will make it more likely that you'll stick with it long term. Losing belly fat takes time and effort, but it's definitely possible. By following these tips, you can start to see results in a few weeks.